Crossing borders has been a dream of many Colombians. Getting our brands to reach international markets is a challenge, and proudly maintaining our country's good name is our passion. We are present, from innovative design and manufacturing with high-quality standards to the delivery of each of our security solutions, all tailor-made to our customers. Our products go through a long process that accompanies the different logistics systems: food delivery, exports, cargo freight, shipment packaging, and e-commerce, making that last mile a secure and confident experience that ensures that brands reach the hands of their final customers with all the protection of safety packaging to prevent looting, tampering, counterfeiting, adulteration, smuggling, and contamination, thus contributing to a safer society. At Summit, we are proud to enhance the customer experience, protecting the efforts of Colombian manufacturers so that our country's products reach different households around the world, as we have done with the world's most recognized brands in the agro industry, apparel, cosmetics, and restaurant sectors. Our commitment to safety extends to every step of the chain of custody, while we take care of your brand's reputation by ensuring your products reach their destination in the best possible way. Join our passion and let's work together to protect a country's reputation.